Contact for booking virtual space in Devika Sadar Bazaar. Devika Sale Associate contact number 7838190750 and 8307849957. With leadership spanning over 3 generations, Devika Group stand tall as a beacon of trust and excellence in the real estate industry since 1954, having legacy of 70 years, developed more than 6 million square featuring and successfully delivered 36 projects with customer base of more than 11,000 plus happy customers as on date. The site address of Devika Sadar Bazaar is Qutub Road, Sadar Bazaar, Delhi. For the past 600 years Sadar Bazaar served as center of Delhi and one of Asia's largest wholesale markets with daily footfall of 6 lakhs persons approx, which increased by up to 40% during the festival season. Devika Sadar Bazaar is available in original booking. Ownership type is leasehold. The Devika Sadar Bazaar total land area is 1336 square meter. Total retail area is 24,000 square featuring approx, spread across ground floor and first floor of 12,000 square feet each floor. The Devika Sadar Bazaar project is approved by MCD with clean and clear title. The RERA number of Devika Sadar Bazaar project is DLRERA 2021P0001. The Devika Sadar Bazaar amenities are round-the-clock 3-tier security, 100% power backup, organized multi-level car parking for visitors, specified area for food court on ground and first floor, modern elevation and lighting, air-conditioned common area on ground and first floor, Vastu-compliant project. Adequate parking space available at Devika Sadar Bazaar on double basement, 2nd, 3rd and 4th floor with automated lift facility. Sadar Bazaar is prime commercial hub in central Delhi, just 1.7 km away from New Delhi railway station, 2.1 km from Old Delhi railway station, 3.1 km from Connaught Place, 5.5 km from Red Fort and 16 km from IGI Airport, New Delhi. New Delhi and Chandni Chowk are the closest metro station from Devika Sadar Bazaar. The Devika Sadar Bazaar is offering ready-to-move in 100% commercial pre-lease retail space, both non-lockable, virtual space, and lockable space. Devika Sadar Bazaar is already pre-leased to Bikanerwala and Pizza Hut on ground floor. Bikanerwala is having 9,040 square feet and Pizza Hut is having 2,222 square feet approx, at ground floor. Appreciation potential of Devika Sadar Bazaar is huge in terms of capital appreciation as well as monthly assured rental on ready-to-move pre-leased space. Monthly maintenance charges of Devika Sadar Bazaar will be decided later on. 12% assured rental for first 2 years and after that 10% of total revenue collection from Bikanerwala and Pizza Hut. 25 square feet minimum area is required for individual registration. Devika Group will monitor sales, revenue and maintenance of Bikanerwala and Pizza Hut. Lease period of Bikanerwala is for 18 plus 18 years and Pizza Hut is for 15 plus 15 years in total. Contact for booking virtual space in Devika Sadar Bazaar. Devika Sale Associate contact number 7838190750 and 8307849957.